With pets, similarly with humans, you have a recovery position. Now, the idea of it is to lay them down so that they're safe, their airway is maintained, and also you can look after them much, much easier. First thing you need to do is lay them down on their right-hand side, the same as we would with CPR. The reason for this is it makes it a lot less pressure on the heart, and also if you did have to go in to do CPR, the dog's on the right-hand side already, so it makes it much, much easier. It depends whether the dog is conscious or not. You can use this position if they're conscious, but also if they're unconscious. The next main thing is making sure the airway is open. So what we're doing with that is just tilting the head back slightly, get hold of the tongue. You might want to just hold a bit of gauze or a bit of cloth just to hold the tongue if you can't grip it in your fingers. And just pull it very slightly to one side if it's unconscious. If it's conscious, obviously you just need to make sure the airway is open. And you need to maintain that the whole time. The next thing you need to do is keep monitoring them. So what we're looking at is all the different basic life support signs. So first off, breathing, the most important thing we're doing. If we monitor the breathing, because it may well be that you put the dog nice and safely and then it stops breathing. And if you're not watching for its breathing, valuable seconds or minutes could be lost. So keep an eye on it. You can just pop your hand gently onto its chest and feel its breathing very easily. Also, even if it's unconscious, keep stroking and talking to the dog so to reassure it. Next thing you want to do is check its temperature. So while you keep checking breathing and that, you can do some other checks. You can look at temperature. If you've got a gauge, you can test it. If not, just look for changes in temperature. We can also at this stage, again, while keeping it calm and talking to it, loosening off the collar or removing the collar or a harness if it's wearing one. Collars and harnesses can restrict breathing, so by undoing them, make it a little bit easier. The next one is, depending on what's happened, is give a check over the whole body. Now, if it's just become unconscious, then it may hasn't injured itself. But even so, it's good to check the body. We can check its limbs, we can check its body, but also things like around its stomach. Is the stomach starting to swell? Or is there any other problems? Is there any discharge? Maybe discharge from the eyes or the mouth or the nose? Or check around its back end if any discharge is there. So while it's in this position, you can control it and keep it calm, and you can also get it ready for then transporting to a vet. Or if it maybe this position is also very good after something like a seizure. So you can lay them down and keep them nice and calm. And laying like this is the best way of keeping them safe.